lead the Vikings 6-3. The Vikings were -2 in the give in the first half. Charlie Whitehurst, the backup, only a 57.3 passer rating. So the Vikings defense with 4 sacks, 2 by Jared Allen, 1 by Jasper Brinkley, and the other by Fred Evans, has kind of dominated at times the backup offensive line for the San Diego Chargers. It's just offensively, the Vikings have not been able to score on San Diego's defense. Here is the kick to begin the second half, and excellent kick coverage by Tyrone McKenzie. Big plays like that after a 20-yard return will help Tyrone McKenzie make the squad. He's the immediate backup right now to Jasper Brinkley, and Tyrone is battling the likes of Audie Cole for a spot on the Vikings 53, which will be established after the final preseason game next Thursday against the Houston Texans. 6-3 San Diego, and the Chargers begin from their own 17-yard line. Minnesota Vikings team president Mark Wilf, now nice enough to join us in the booth to watch his Minnesota Vikings try to turn the tide in the second half, where a majority of the starters stay in, including Jared Allen with a couple of sacks. And Charlie Whitehurst hands the ball up to Baker. The rookie gets by Jared Allen on the left side, but is finished off at the line of scrimmage by Harrison Smith, and there'll be no gain. Mark Wilf, team president for the Minnesota Vikings, joins us now. Dave Bursich and Paul Allen, along with Ben Lieber and Greg Coleman on the sidelines. The Chargers lead 6-3. First of all, congratulations on having a relatively distraction-free offseason. I mean, I would imagine as long as you and Ziggy have been on the team, this walk up to the regular season has been as comfortable as you've ever had. You have the stadium situation solved. You know who your quarterback is. You got your head coaching situation solved. Rick Spielman's the general manager. Do you see it that way, Mark?
We're excited about our offseason, especially excited about the season coming up here.
Hey.
Congratulations again on the stadium. One of the things I'm interested in and when people talk about is that you guys, the Vikings are building the stadium, but it's a partnership with the Minneapolis Sports Facilities Commission. And so a lot of the decisions have to be made, not just by you, but as a kind of a team effort. And how is that going so far? And what is that like to maybe not have final say on everything that you'd like?